Guess what? We are in sunny Spanish Town, and we're with one of our really good customers again. Just to deliver one package today. She normally ships a whole lot of packages, but today she only wants this little thing that we take into her as speedily as possible. But before we go, tell me what you think about her service.
Oh, always fast and reliable. Very reliable. Don't have to go out anywhere to collect.
Right.
That's the best part of it.
That's the most convenient part of it.
Come to me and it's
yeah. In the comfort of your home.
Comfort of my home.
Nice. Is there anything you think we can do to improve this service?
No, I haven't had any. No, I don't say anything.
You don't say anything right now. But guess what I want you to do to improve my service? There's a card on the back of this. All I want you to do is input your mailbox number and give it to a friend or a family member so the family can grow.
Will do.
Alright, so them can.
I allow Brittany to do that too.
There you go.
So
long time star. And we really appreciate it.
Right.
Alright, have a good one.
Yeah, man.
And thanks for shipping with us.
Always.
Alright, good. See, another happy customer. She has been making references. One of her favorite customers is she bring them on. Enlarge your family, bring on some friends and family. All right? Thank you.